Hi guys, this is the Python series. In the last session, we have discussed about the default arguments in function definition. In this session, we will discuss about the variable length arguments in function definition. Variable length argument is also known as the arbitrary arguments. Okay, what is variable length arguments? In large projects, we may not know the number of arguments to be passed in advance. In such cases, Python provides us the flexibility to offer the comma-separated values, which are internally treated as tuples at the function call. By using the variable length arguments, we can pass any number of arguments. There are two types of variable length arguments. One is the positional argument, the second one is the keyword arguments. In this session, we will discuss about the positional arguments. Let's see this example. I have created the function. My fun is my function name. Inside this function, I have the argument with asterisk symbol. This is the syntax. Okay. So, the argument with asterisk, it indicates this is the variable length argument. Okay. And inside this my fun, I have the print statement and I have implemented the for loop. And I want to know the type of this argument. That's why I have used the type of method here. We already discussed about the type of method. Type of method is used to return the type of the given variable. And here I have implemented the for loop. Okay, for the first iteration, the first value will be stored inside this variable. And that value will be printed with the hello on my console. Okay, likewise, the second value and the third value, fourth value, fifth value, sixth value. So, the number of iterations should be the number of elements inside the tuple object, because this is the comma separated values which are internally treated as tuple. Okay, so we will get hello Kala, hello Meena, hello Ram, hello Leela, hello Priya and hello Geeta on my console. So this type of function is called the variable length arguments. Okay, so in which situation this type of variable length arguments will be used? In large projects, we may not know the number of arguments to be passed in advance. Okay, so in those situations, we can use this type of positional argument function. Let me execute this one. Here, the type of the argument is tuple. The execution starts only from the function call statement. We know already. This is your definition part. This is the call statement for this definition part. And these values which are internally treated as the tuple. Okay, the control carries these values and jumps from this function call statement to the function definition part. Inside this variable, all the values will be stored. Okay, so what type is this? This is the tuple object. Okay, and for the first iteration, Kala is stored inside the argument. And that value will be printed with hello. That's why we got this value. Likewise, hello Meena, hello Ram, hello Leela, hello Priya, and finally hello Geeta is printed. I hope you all understood about what is the variable length arguments and why we need this type of variable length arguments. Okay, we have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.